Hello everyone, my name is Phil with the Sold Real Estate team. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are back again at our brand new listing in Sun City. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are 10741 West Adam Avenue.
All right, before going inside this house in Sun City, Kevin, I know you wanted to share with everyone kind of what the direct area is all about.
Yeah, I know the name says Sun City, which will confuse a lot of people. This is not the adult community Sun City, and it's a non-HOA community as well. It's actually part of Peoria.
Perfect. And how close is Peoria from this actual house?
Like walking distance across the street.
Okay, so the city lines are really close. Yeah. And then I know there's one more item that you wanted to share, and that was the location.
Location, location, location.
Perfect. Let's go take a look. Let's talk location. Kevin, all this seems pretty brand new.
Yeah, all this was built in the last 5 to 10 years. It's shopping, and more shopping.
Great. I see a Lowe's, I see a Village Inn, I see if I want to get my hair cut, there's a Sports Clips. What else is there?
There's a Target, there's a Best Buy. So if you want to keep shopping, you can do that. You also got Freddy's. You've got a Froyo shop over there. And one of my favorites around here is the Char's Pizzeria, which is right behind us. Phenomenal pizza.
Awesome. And if you want to go work all that off, where would you go?
Well, you're going to have to work it all off. So you got to head over to the Mountainside Fitness over there.
Great. And a little fun fact, if you don't know, Mountainside Fitness is locally owned. So without further ado, let's go take a look at this house inside Sun City. All right, welcome to the inside of this house in beautiful Sun City. Kevin, take it away with the specs.
It's a 2-story, just under 2,400 square feet. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, has a loft area as well, 2 living rooms. And something I really need to mention is there is a bedroom and a bathroom on the first floor.
Great, and for those of you that already know this, but I'll mention it, the bedroom and bathroom can be used for separate living quarters for a mother-in-law or even a teenager. And then the best part about that is that it allows the privacy if you are working from home.
Absolutely.
Great, let's go take a look at the updates now. Let's talk about updates now.
Well, you get this gorgeous wood flooring. This is throughout the whole second story, as well as the staircase. Fresh paint throughout the whole interior, as well as an oversized premium lot that has the RV gate on it.
Perfect. This house has been well taken care of, and you can tell as you walk through it. Now, I know that there's one big update you want to share with them in the backyard.
Let's go.
All right. Welcome to the workshop. So this is our last big update for this backyard. Kevin, what does it include and why is it so special?
Well, this one is just under 200 square feet. This one includes full power, including 220. It has a workbench that comes with it, as well as has the exhaust fan set up so you can work in this workshop year round.
Great. The benefit of that, and we've sold a lot of homes, is a lot of times when we sell a property with a workshop or a shed, is sometimes they don't have the ability to work year round. So that's a really big deal. And I think someone that's really handy or loves to work on stuff in their own privacy, it's a perfect match.
I know, think of the things you can build out here that you cannot do in a normal tough shed.
I agree. All right, we have one more surprise for you before leaving this house in Sun City. Kevin, take it away.
Well, to my right, we have a mature navel orange tree. Over here, we have this ponderosa lemon. These things get huge. I mean, these are the size of softballs. We can definitely play a game with them. And then over here, check out the size of this white grapefruit tree. And right behind me, nice shade tree, ash tree, love it.
Plenty of shade, mature landscaping, fruit, and don't forget about the RV gate. Now, Kevin, if they want to set up a showing, what's the easiest way?
It's very simple. Call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, GoSoldRealty.com.
Great. And if you are thinking about selling or need help buying, please let us know. And until next time, have a great day.